Hi, my name is Chen Xu. I'm an MBA student at University of Tulsa. I'm taking this course to boost my technical skills for professional development. And in this discussion, I will be talking about supply quality analysis using the tool PowerBI, which is really helpful. Now, with supply quality analysis data set I was provided with, I was able to make several components slash graphs that will detail some useful information with the data sets that was provided. And in the middle, we have the category with the total defect quantity, and then the total downtime associated with each category. And by clicking on each one of those, we'll get a breakdown, which I will go over later in the presentation. And the second graph I wanted to make is the defect type with the stats of the defect, as well as the total defect quantity and the defect downtime I was caused. And you can scroll this bar right here to get a full view, which all the different stats: rejected, impacted, and no impact, and total. So I'm going to start by looking at the total defect quantity by vendor component. This one, we have, if you use list bar right here, you can get the total quantity impacted using this graph. And the total defect quantity for the highest one is So Holdings. And now when I click on So Holdings, the different graphs change because all of those components are tied through relational programming through SQL. And we have, so this really helps when you're looking at, okay, when you want to know what vendor is impacted, like how much defect do they have? What year do they have information on them? What's the total downtime impacted? And also like the different categories and for each of the vendors. So if you switch over to TluStatex, the graph changes again because the data set reflects what information we're looking for. Now, with the other component I want to talk about is the total downtime minutes by vendor and category. When we're looking it down and we looking up this graph and we want to break down of each vendor by the category their service in, we could really get a full picture or more of a detailed picture. And then, of course, that back to this graph again is the cool part is about clicking on each of those graphs and then drill down on the information provided. And those down here, again, is a reflection of the detailed drill down picture. Also, you can use the different points here and click and select what your interest is. And I found those solutions really helpful when management, especially tactical management, is looking up, well, what area do we need to improve in? What's our downtime? What's our categories that have issues? That way we can narrow down and focus on the different points in time and different category and products that we have supplier relations with. And this concludes my presentation. I hope you guys were not frustrated with the stuttering. Thank you. Well, for you, Sal.